All right, guys, so in this video, I will show you how to install a maintenance mode plugin. This is a pretty common request, actually pretty easy, and yeah, so let me show you. So what we want to do here is we want to go over to plugins, and we go to add plugin, and then we want to search for maintenance. All right, so the plugin that we want to use here is a Seed Prod plugin. Has 5 stars. This one's pretty popular too. So it's got a million plus user installations. Not quite 5 stars. This one just seems to be a lot easier to enable to work with. All right, so we'll go ahead and install this. And then we activate it. All right, we need to get started. And we want to switch this over to set up a maintenance mode page. All right. All right, and then we just choose. We can choose one of the templates. I like to keep it simple. If it's maintenance, just go with something like this or like this. Let's take a look at this one. All right, yeah, so this one looks cool. All right, finish setup, start building your page. You don't need any of this stuff. I'll do that later. They're just recommending additional plugins. Don't worry about this unless you don't worry about it. We're just working on the maintenance. We don't want to complicate this. And then finish setup. Okay, and here you go. And so you can modify, customize it as you see fit. Change the message, add a phone number, change the image, whatever customization you need. Okay, and so we're going to go ahead and save it. Let's preview it. This is how it looks on the front end. All right, exit this, and then yes, activate it. All right, so now it tells us here that it's active. So if we were to go to this page, load the cache, and now we have the maintenance mode. All right, so now we want to again to deactivate it, you simply click this, automatically saves, and you should be good to go. All right, again, let me know if you have any questions, you need help, just remember to reach out to me. Thank you.